So here I was sent this dual built-in 2-cable power bank. So this is portable power for your accessories, probably auxiliary power for your iPhone or Android phone, because what's good about it, since it's dual built-in cable, you actually automatically get the convenience in one little small thin package of having dual cables. So right here you have a input for iPhone right here, and for Android or any device that takes this connector, and they conveniently tuck into their slot here. This way they're out of the way. Slide in there, very protected. Slide in there. It has an on-off switch. And you can see the power indicator lights across here, and they tell you the amount of charge that's available. So all 4 lights are 75 to 100%, 3 50, 2 25, and 1 is 0 to 25%. So this will give you a nice long charge, cheap insurance for backup power. You're on the road, you're at an event, and you want to make sure you can charge your phone. It comes with a charging cable. You could conveniently have a USB port and charge it into any standard USB port, or vice versa. You could put the USB port into the phone for charging and charge your accessories and charge the charger. So this is 2.1 amp output, and the Type-C connector and the iPhone adapter, LED indicator. So it's pretty simple, slim design, and it's used for all digital products and mobile phones. So this is simple, all in one small package, very convenient. I kind of like this because it's super convenient and you're ready to go. So this is the 2 cable and 1 power adapter.